Hi, welcome to the Super Strike Kitchen. Today's episode is the Shibazuke, the authentic fermented pickle. The Shibazuke is a pretty popular pickle available at the Japanese grocery store, but many store-bought Shibazuke are made of the marinated style. It's not like fermented. It's both are tasty, but the fermented ones are more like a deep taste. So I made it authentic Kyoto style Shibazuke. Wash and clean the shiso leaves, then remove the moisture. Okay, and sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt to then squeeze. Leaves got softened, then squeeze it. Juice came out. We don't use these juice. Just throw away these juice. Eggplant and cucumber, just cut in half, then slice it. Just about quarter to half inches thickness. And a cucumber, I used the English cucumber. I couldn't get the Japanese small cucumber. Big English cucumber, still I can use it, but the seed, too much moisture, so I just cut off, remove the seed. I was looking for the Myoger ginger. It's a little different ginger, but I couldn't find it in Canada, so I just used the regular ginger. That's still okay. Thinner paper slice, cut into small pieces. Everything mixed up like that. Then put the kosher salt, mix up. Okay, these shiso leaves, I use the apple cider vinegar, just a little bit, 1 cap, this much, just cap, then pour it, then mix together. Then everything mixed together. So now I put everything into the Ziploc. Squeeze it and remove the air inside as much as possible. Okay, then I put the weight. Yeah, I put the weight. Yeah, then leave it for about a week. Then every day I turn over the Ziploc every day. Look at this, its color is totally changed, like a reddish color. Everything is like a reddish color, and smell like a so nice fermented pickle smell. keep these in the fridge for 2-3 months. Make sure to pour the all of juice inside. Okay, now it's tasting time. Steamed rice and Shibazuke. It's very authentic Japanese style. Okay, ASMR, turn on. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you at the next episode. Bye.